Hi, in this quick video, let's take a look at one of the new features of ValQ that's being released this month. And I'm talking about the table view. So far, users had the ability to visualize their models in a tree-like view. But if you go down to your navigation panel, you see a section called visualization where you see two options, a tree view and a table view. Let me go and click on the table view and show what's there. So the table view supports a bunch of key features similar to the tree view. Number one is that you will be able to expand and collapse the nodes just as with the tree view. So let me go and expand revenue here. I can expand total cost, production cost, and so forth. And when I collapse all these nodes, for example, let me collapse revenue and keep the cost nodes expanded, and I switch back to the tree view, it's going to retain the integrity of the operations we did on the tabular view, where the revenue is collapsed and the total cost is expanded. In the table view, I also have the ability to go and click on any node to invoke the pop-up screen, just as with the tree view. And on the right, you also see the primary and comparison measures along with variance both in percentage and absolute terms. So this particular view has several options as indicated by the view mode here. So what we are seeing right now is a standard mode, and in the minimal mode, I will only have the measures without the variance analysis. And when I go to the full mode, I'll be able to see values not only for the full year, but also the current month. And this combination can be changed when I go and select on the other values here. For example, when I select month, I'll be able to see month on the full year, and for year till date, it's year till date and full year, and for simulation months, it's simulation months and full year, and so forth. So let me click on the full year and go back to the standard mode. Now finally, a major feature, a key feature that makes the table view on par with the tree view is the ability to look at the conditional formatting and perform simulations. So I can go to any particular node and simulate, and it's going to give me the same experience as with the tree view. And the changes are also going to be tracked on the top left of the canvas. So let me go and simulate on a couple of items. And when I switch to the tree view, I will also be able to track those changes on the top left.